Recently, I stumbled upon a YouTube niche that's exploding right now, but almost nobody is talking about it. There's a channel called Captain Workout. It launched just this July, and in only 3 months, it skyrocketed to over 150,000 subscribers. Here's the crazy part. They've uploaded only 6 long-form videos. That's it. Yet those videos have already brought in more than 15 million views. Their very first upload hit over 400,000 views, and now most of their videos are pulling in hundreds of thousands of views each. So what are they doing? It's simple, but genius. Their videos show viewers the right way to perform exercises, using a muscular humanoid figure to demonstrate both correct and incorrect form. It's clear, it's visual, and it immediately grabs attention. Now, I know what you're thinking. That looks impossible to make, but that's where I come in. Here's the thing. It's actually much easier than you think. And considering this channel has likely already earned over $10,000 in ad revenue, it's proof that this niche is not just viral, it's profitable. And the best part? This niche is still wide open. If you start now, you can catch the wave before everyone else jumps in. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create these high-performing fitness videos for yourself. So stick around until the very end. You don't want to miss a single step. Now let's dive in. The very first step is creating your own muscular humanoid character. This figure will be the face of your channel, the star that demonstrates every exercise across your videos. To make things simple, I've prepared a Google Doc packed with ready-to-use prompts. Inside, you'll find step-by-step guides for generating your workout character, writing scripts, and even crafting image prompts. The link is in the description below, so definitely check it out. And if you've made it this far, do me a quick favor, hit that like button. It really helps push this video out to more creators who need this exact strategy. Alright, let's dive back in. Open up the Google Doc and grab the reference image. Save it or screenshot it. You'll need it shortly. Then copy the character prompt provided. Next, head over to ChatGPT. Upload your reference image, paste in the character prompt, and make one quick tweak. Customize the letter you want displayed on your character's forehead and set the body color, just like the channel we're modeling after. Then, hit enter and let ChatGPT generate your custom image prompt. It may take a moment, but once it's done, you'll have your very own muscular workout figure ready to go. Now copy that prompt and jump over to Gemini. Paste it in, upload the reference image, and run it through the image creation tool. Within seconds, Gemini will generate your perfect character design. Preview the result, and once you're happy, save it. You'll be using it in your content. With the character ready, the next step is generating a video script. Go back to the Google Doc, copy the script prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Here's where you can fully customize. First, set your video length. Just type in how many minutes you want. Then, choose the workout exercise you want to feature. For this tutorial, I'll use push-ups as an example, but you can select squats, planks, pull-ups, or anything your audience is interested in. Hit enter, and in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will create a professionally written script designed to hook viewers from the first line, deliver real value, and keep them watching until the final call to action. Once the script is ready, the next step is producing a professional voiceover for your video. For the next step, we're going to generate a professional voiceover, and for this, we'll be using Google AI Studio. Start by heading over to Google AI Studio, click Sign Up, and create your free account. Once you're logged in, go to Generate Media and select Generate Speech. This will take you directly to the voiceover creation dashboard. Choose Single Speech as your option. Then, go back to ChatGPT, copy the script we just generated, and paste it into Google AI Studio. Before moving on, take a quick moment to clean up the text. Remove any timestamps or placeholders so the narration flows smoothly. Next, click on Voices. Here, you'll see a wide variety of AI voice options. Take your time to preview them and pick the one that matches your channel's style, whether you want something energetic, professional, or calm. Once you've chosen, click Run, and within seconds, the AI will produce your professional-grade voiceover. When it's ready, simply download the audio file to your device. You'll need it later in the editing stage. Now that we've got our voiceover, it's time to generate images of our muscular humanoid character performing different workout moves to match the script. But before we can create the visuals, we need detailed image prompts. Head back to the Google Doc I provided and copy the exercise image prompt. Then return to ChatGPT and paste it in. Here's the important part. Attach the muscular humanoid character you created earlier so the AI knows exactly which style to use. Right below that, paste your script. Then hit enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a set of highly detailed image prompts. These are carefully optimized to match your script line by line, meaning each workout pose will perfectly illustrate the exercise being explained. Once you've got your prompts, it's time to turn them into actual images. For this step, we'll be using Gemini's image generation tool. Head over to Gemini, start a new chat, and paste in the very first image prompt. Upload your muscular humanoid character as a reference. Select the image creation tool and hit enter. Gemini will process it, and within seconds, your first exercise image will be ready. Preview it, and if you're satisfied, download it straight to your device. Repeat this exact process with the remaining prompts until you've generated all the workout images you need. Now, with your script, voiceover, and visuals complete, the next step is to add background music to bring everything together. For our background music, we'll be using Suno AI. Head over to Suno, create a free account, and once you're logged in, click on the music icon to open the creation dashboard. Since we don't need vocals or lyrics for this type of video, select instrumental. This gives you clean background music that won't distract from your voiceover. Now, to make sure the music perfectly matches the tone of your workout script, go back to ChatGPT and ask for a music style suggestion tailored to your video. In just a few seconds, you'll have a custom recommendation. Copy that suggestion, return to Suno, and paste it into the prompt box. Give your track a title, click Create, and Suno will instantly generate 2 unique background tracks based on your input. Preview both tracks, choose the one that best fits your video's vibe, and download it to your device. With our music ready, it's time for the final stage, editing everything together. For this, we'll use CapCut. Open CapCut, start a new project, and import a simple background. This can be plain white or any style you like. Change the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube, and extend the background to match the length of your video. Next, import your voiceover and trim out any empty pauses so it flows smoothly. After that, start importing all the muscular humanoid figure images we generated earlier. Before placing them on the timeline, make sure to remove their backgrounds. Tools like Pixelcut work perfectly for this. Once the images are ready, sync them with your voiceover so each pose matches the narration. To keep the visuals dynamic, add animations. Select an image, go to the Animations tab, and pick one of CapCut's built-in options. Repeat this for each image. To add even more depth, apply a subtle zoom-in effect. Select the image, set a keyframe at the start, then add another keyframe at the end with a slight zoom. Repeat this for all your images, and your video will instantly look more polished. Now, let's add captions so viewers can follow along, even with the sound off. Go to Text, choose Auto Captions, and CapCut will generate subtitles automatically. Pick a style you like and apply it. Finally, import your background music from Suno, trim it to fit, and lower the volume so it blends nicely with the narration. Watch your full video from start to finish, and if you're happy with it, click Export. Set the resolution to 2K for maximum quality and save it to your device. And that's it. You've just created a professional faceless workout video using AI tools step by step.
Confident your push-ups are perfect? Think again. Most people are wrecking their shoulders and wasting effort without even knowing it. Let's fix that right now. The biggest mistakes? Elbows flared out like chicken wings, hips sagging like a hammock, or bouncing the chest off the floor. These don't just look sloppy, they rob you of strength and can cause injury. But here's the good news. With a few adjustments, your push-ups can go from weak to powerful.
As you can see, the final result looks clean, dynamic, and engaging. With this method, you can develop your own unique style that grabs attention and keeps viewers watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.